Welcome to Babil Math World. Today we are going to solve an interesting factorial problem given by x factorial by 6 factorial is equal to 7 factorial. Then we have to find the value of x. Before this, we can write the meaning of n factorial. So n factorial means it is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into and so on 3 into 2 into 1. So using this factorial notation, so here the given one is x factorial by 6 factorial is equal to 7 factorial. So on cross multiplication, x factorial is equal to 7 factorial into 6 factorial. So that is x factorial is equal to, as per this, n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into and so on up to 3 into 2 into 1. This 7 factorial is, we have to multiply 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And similarly, we have 6 factorial. 6 factorial is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So here x factorial is equal to this one, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. In the same way, here we can see this 4 and 2 when multiplied, the product of 4 and 2 is 8. And 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So 3 into 2, 5 into 2. So x factorial is equal to, I write 8 first, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this 8 is written here. Next one is, this 6 is written as 3 into 2, and after that one 4 is taken out. This 3 we forgot to write here. Here I am writing 3. So now we can see this 3 into 3, when we multiply these two, 3 into 3, it becomes 9. And actually this 4 into 2 is over. Here instead of writing 3, I wrote 2. So here it is 5 into 3. So the remaining 5 and 2, 5 into 2 becomes 10. So x factorial is equal to, write 10 here, and next 9, and after that 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that means it is the product of the numbers from right side. If we see 1 to 10, all these are positive integers. So that means the right hand side is 10 factorial. So cancelling factorial on both sides, we will get x is equal to 10. This is the solution. So if you like this solution, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.